Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video on the channel. Today we have a video all about how to make money on YouTube by just watching YouTube videos. In this video we're going to go over how to make money just by watching YouTube videos. And all you have to do for this is have an internet connection. Best of all about this method, it is free for everyone and everywhere, as it has worldwide accessibility, and it is so easy to do. You can almost do it in your sleep. So if that sounds good to you, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll get started now. So to start with, you need to go to this website, addmefast.com. Once you get here, your page will look like this. And here it has some bits about the page. AddMeFast has been around for 10 years. It's just a social exchange. And as you scroll down and down, you can see more and more about what they do. So we have Facebook, all the likes, posts and shares, and then YouTube. It carries on more, but you can do that in your own time. So to get started, just click here on try for free now. But however, I already have an account, so I'll just log in. There we go. And this is what it look like once you've logged in. However, when you first sign up, you'll need to get you an email like this where you confirm your account. Once that's confirmed, you'll be on this page. Now, if on the right hand side, there's a referral link that you'll have as well. This is my referral link, which I'll link in the description below. So if you could use this, it would be much appreciated, as it doesn't actually affect you and it should give you a head start. They also have a promotion on at the moment for 30% when you buy more points, but we can get to that later on, because that's not what we're here to do, as we're looking to do it for free. So on the left hand side, you want to scroll down to YouTube views and click here. And then this is how it'll look. This clip here is for 30 seconds for 4 points. You simply click view video. The video will open. And as soon as the page is open, the video itself doesn't have to be loading. As you can see, the timer is already counting. And in this case, we've managed to get an advert. And as long as the video page itself is open, your timer will be counting. So you can skip the ad or just leave it running. It's up to you. I skip the ad so I can mute the video. But then just let this finish. Alright, there you go. And then you just have to orientate these in the right direction in order to tell the website that you are not a robot. And that's your first 4 points in a few seconds. And you just keep doing this. Here's another one. This time they're completely random videos that have been posted by other members that are using this social exchange, which I'll show you how to do later if you're looking to get views on your own YouTube channel, etc. So once again, we'll let this run. We've got another 10 seconds. And there we go. That should be done. Once again, orientate the pictures the correct way. I've done that wrong, but there you go. And then here is a big video. Large points. This intends to be how it works. So you can skip these, see? So big point ones like that are ideal. I skipped it just for time saving in the video, however. But you can continue to skip as much as you like. Here's a good video to do. 10 points. You just keep skipping until you're happy with one you find. Majority are for 4 or 5 points, however you can just keep skipping. There was one for 12, 8. And then this is what happens if you continue to skip too much. You get a warning to say slow down. And to get around this, you simply just reload the page, and that should clear the issue. So if you just go back to the left hand side of the screen and re-click on YouTube views, then this bypasses this, allowing you to start watching videos again. And just to show that this works, we'll do another one quickly. Once again, the video loads. You can actually have the video itself minimized if you don't want it on your screen. It does still continue to work. And then another 10 seconds to go. I'll speed this up in editing. And there we go, should be complete. And you see here, it has gone straight into another video. I X that off by mistake, but there's something that does happen sometimes. You leave the same page open, it continues to run. Here we have the daily bonus, which I can't get as the account I made is just fresh today. But as of a daily bonus, you can come back every day and collect a bonus of 400 points or more, which is very handy and very, very useful. And then just to show you that you can earn money through this with other methods, if we just go to Facebook likes, click on Facebook likes, and then you simply like people's Facebook pages. So you just click on the like, and then this hasn't worked for me as I haven't got a Facebook account signed in, but you would just simply like this page once you've logged in, and then wait 2 to 3 seconds, and then you'll get 16 points for liking, which is very fast. Another easy one to do is Instagram likes. This works the same way. However, I haven't got an Instagram account logged in, so I won't do that either. YouTube likes also works, and subscribe. You tend to get a lot more points for your subscriptions as people willing to pay more. This is where you go when you are looking to get your own Facebook followers or likes. You will simply choose what you want, in this case YouTube video likes. Give it a title, which is only what, there you go, YouTube likes. And then add a random link, not a clue what that is. Then you just leave them both off, and then your CPC is how many points that the website will take from your account in order to pay the people that do what you want them to do. So I'd suggest setting this around 5 or 10 so that people don't skip. 10, the higher you set it, the more likely people are to do it. However, obviously you don't get as many. Yeah, that link obviously wasn't a real one. But oh well, that's not particularly important anyway. There's another way to monetize this is much better. If you go to playerup.com and Facebook accounts, Fiverr accounts, this is where they sell, you can buy and sell anything on the internet on this website. So if we scroll to the top and search in Facebook, and then search, and then you click here on Facebook, and we're looking for one that says about likes for sale. There we go. So you click on here, and all you would then do is once this loads, cat one, slow. Right, we've loaded. As you can see, people are selling 1,000 likes for around $5, or 100 likes for $2. And what you want to do is you want to look for one that's got positive feedback. So there you've got 5,000 likes for $50, $48, but 50. 10,000 likes for $95, 1,000 likes for $8.50, 100 page likes for $10, and people have brought that. So that means each like 10p, which when you work that out is incredible. So then there's just hundreds and hundreds. And in most cases, you can tend to find that ones that say no drop tend to have more positive feedback. 2,000 likes for $20, 200 likes for $10, 1,000 likes, $10. And then you just simply list it up on here, and if the price is too high, you'll be able to tell. Then you simply come back. Another way to earn points is with your YouTube subscriptions. This also earns a lot of points a lot quicker, but there's a lot of waiting. So you just hit subscribe on the account. The account will load in. Oh, onto the vidIQ. You hit subscribe, and you can just minimize this page. And it says wait 2 to 3 seconds after doing it. However, it can take a lot longer. And then I didn't realise it said to close the pop-up, so we'll quickly shut that, and that should come through now. And there we go. Remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. And thank you for watching. See you soon.